Okay, this is my IGBT test setup. This is the IGBT block, and it is this one, Toshiba. This is the electrical circuit of it, and we're going to test it out. This is the negative coming in from my power supply. This is from the main power. This is the negative going to this LED light. And these two pins here are the positive and negative coming from this variable power supply. So when I turn up the voltage, and the input of this power supply is 13.8 volts, which is the same. Now this is the same power source, the light, and the IGBT. Anyway, there's the output. I'm 3.49 volts right now. They're starting to come on. Here you can see the LEDs. There might have been some current going in there before that. Show the spec sheet later. And if I turn this up, it's getting brighter and brighter like it's supposed to, I guess. And it looks like it gets full brightness here at about 5.5 to 6 volts. Put this over so that we can still see the I know it's going. Trying to see if it's going down as I turn up the voltage. It's hard to tell. My camera is changing. It's auto compensating for the brightness of that. It's hard to tell if it gets dimmer when I go over the saturation point of 6 volts. Okay, I'm right at 6 volts. Let my camera adjust. No, it's not changing. So I'm going up in voltage. I'm up at 9. Up 12.9 volts. So in the spec sheet here, I gotta turn this down. The spec sheet here is right here. Shows it's rated for 1200 volts. The gate emitter voltage 20 volts. So I guess I can go up to 20 volts on this. This is E1 and E1 here. This is the E1 control voltage from my variable power supply, and this is E1 or E1C2 coming in direct from my DC power source. So these two are tied together electrically, and then when the gate gets the right voltage, it lets the power go through to the LED light. What I don't understand, because I tried this before, is if I unhook, you have to put a pull up or pull down resistor in there. Look at when I unhook this, it stays on. See, I have the it's like it's latched on. I don't understand why. I'm gonna have to ask my electronic friends who are smarter than me why that is. And I can see, I'll turn it brighter now. I can unhook the positive, it'll do the same thing. Just stays on. So I don't understand that, and I don't see how I'll be able to switch it if it's doing that. So I must need some more circuitry in the control. But my smart friends are going to let me know why. And here's the rest of the specs for this device. Right here. I'm looking for the there it says right here, gate emitter cut off voltage, cut off current. Here's cut off voltage. So 3 volts, I was seeing it turn on around 3.5, and 6 was maximum. So those two there kind of correlate to what I saw on the meter and the power supply. So anyway, that's that. It works sort of till I figure out how to shut it off when I disconnect the control power.